Hello, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question. X square minus y square is equal to 24. Xy is equal to 35 and we have to find the value of x plus y. Here we have two equations and we have to find x plus y. So we will name them equation 1 and equation 2. So from equation 1, we have x square minus y square which is equal to 24. As we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here a is x and b is y, so it will become x plus y, x minus y, which is equal to 24. Now we will take square on both sides, so it will become x plus y, x minus y whole square, which is equal to 24 square. As we know that AB whole power m is equal to a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. So it will become x plus y square and x minus y whole square, which is equal to 24 square. Now we will apply here formula, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or we can write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. And similarly, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it will become x square plus y square plus 2xy, and it will become x square, bracket, and it will become x square plus y square minus 2xy, which is equal to 24 square, which is 576. Now from equation 2, we know that the value of xy is 35. So we will put the value of xy here. So it will become as xy is equal to 35 from equation 2. So it will become x square plus y square plus 2 into 35, and it will become x square plus y square minus 2 into 35, which is equal to 576. Now x square plus y square plus 2 into 35 is 70, and it will become x square plus y square minus 70, which is equal to 576. If you see in this equation, here we have x square plus y square and x square plus y square, and here plus 70 and minus 70. Which of the form is a plus b, a minus b, and here a is equal to x square plus y square and b is equal to 70. So it is the form of a plus b, a minus b, and we will convert it into a square minus b square. So it will become x square plus y square whole square, and minus b square means 70 square, and it is equal to 576. Now it will become x square plus y square whole square minus 70 square is equal to 4900, which is equal to 576. Now we will take 4900 to the right hand side of the equal side, so it will become 576 plus 4900, and it will become x square plus y square whole square, which is equal to 5476. Now here we have a form x square plus y square whole square, which is equal to 5476. Now we will take square root to remove this square. So we will take square root on both sides. X square plus y square whole square, which is equal to square root of 5476. So from here, square and square root will be cancelled out, and we have x square plus y square is equal to square root of 5476 is plus minus 74. So here we have the value of x square plus y square, and we have to find the value of x plus y. So we know that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So we have the value of x square plus y square, which is equal to plus minus 74, and 2xy means 2 into 35, which is equal to 70. So it is 70. So from here we have two cases, which are x plus y whole square is equal to plus 74 plus 70, and another case is x plus y whole square is equal to minus 74 plus 70. So we will write it. X plus y whole square is equal to 74 plus 70, and x plus y whole square is equal to minus 74 plus 70. So it will become x plus y whole square, which is equal to 74 plus 70 is 144, and from here we get x plus y whole square is equal to negative 4. Now we will take square root on both sides. X plus y whole square and square root of 144. So from here square and square root will be cancelled out, and same case here, we will take square root and negative 4 square root. So square and square root will be cancelled out from here. Now from here we get x plus y is equal to square root of 144 is equal to 12, so plus minus 12, and from here x plus y is equal to, it can be written as square root of 4 and square root of negative 1. So it will become x plus y is equal to square root of 4 is 2, so plus minus 2, and we know that negative 1 is equal to iota, so it will become iota. So we have the values of x plus y are 12, minus 12, 2 iota and negative 2 iota. So here we have 4 values of x plus y, which are 12, minus 12, 2 iota and negative iota. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.